All right, guys. I have two problems for you, not too bad. Let's go ahead and try these. So graphing quadratics in standard form. So give it a try, pause it, come back to get the explanation. All right, guys. Couple things that I wanted to do. I know I just told you to graph, but let's review our vocabulary. Up or down? Come on now, you should know. It's a negative, it's down. Is it a max or a min? If it's down, it's a max. It's as high as it goes, the vertex. Okay? Y-intercept. It's where the constant is at, right? It's 3. All right, and last but not least, now that you definitely should have found this, what's the vertex? Because you always got to find your vertex. Okay, well, let's see if you got it right. All right, to get your x value, you got to use the axis of symmetry formula. Negative b over 2a. Negative b would be negative 2 times negative 1, because that is imaginary 1 there. So you get negative 2 over negative 2, where x is going to simplify to 1. Okay? To get your y value, you should have plugged it back in, either using the calculator or order of operations. It's up to you. I use the calculator, just a little bit quicker. Okay? So plug 1 in every time you see x. Negative 1 squared. Plus 2 times 1 plus 3 gives you 4. Okay? Done with the vertex. Once you have that, what should you be doing? Hopefully you did a table. Put in your vertex. 2 smaller, 2 bigger. I did 2 and 3. Of course, you could have picked other ones. Those are 2 bigger, 2 smaller. Let's do 0. Actually, we already have 0 because that's our y-intercept. So let's do just negative 1. That'll be good. All right. I'm going to plug those in real quick to show you what I got. I don't think you need me saying every little thing here, so just give me a couple seconds. Got 0, which is what we found. Okay, plug in 2. Got 3. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and do negative 1. Remember to put negatives in parentheses, guys. Common mistakes happen when you guys do not put it in parentheses. Okay, and I got 0 again. Okay, let's go ahead and plot these. 3, 0. 2, 3, 1, 4. Ooh, what was our y-intercept? You got it. It was a 3. And negative 1, 0. Give me a curve. We can call it a day. Good job, guys. Okay, you should see that they mirror each other because remember, they're symmetric. Okay. All right, next one. Go ahead, once again, pause the video, work it out, and then come back to see the explanation. Okay, guys, let's see. Always, I want to get you into the habit of using those vocabulary and all the basic things that we have learned today. Up or down? Decide right now. Should have said up. Max or min? Decide right now. You should have said a minimum. Okay, y-intercept. Go ahead and decide. It is 6 because that's our constant. Ooh, putting 2 C's. I'm going crazy. Okay, and our vertex. Let's review let's see what you got the right answer. See if you got the right answer. To find your x value, use negative b over 2a. I'm going to plug in negative 4. It's okay to have the double negatives. 2 times 2 there. Okay, let's start simplifying. Get 4 over 4, where x equals 1. How do you find your y? Plug your x back into all the x's and solve for y. Don't be scared about that f of x. Remember, that just means y. So 2, open parentheses, 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 6. You get 4. Okay? Okay. And lastly, you should have done a table once again. This may differ between what you guys have had, what numbers you chose. I like to choose numbers right next to my vertex so I know that they fit on my graph. Okay, I put my vertex in, 2 numbers bigger, 2, 3, 2 numbers smaller, 0, which we already did, which is our y-intercept, and I'll just do -1. Okay, let's use our calculator to help us out. 2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 6. I got 12. 2 open parentheses, 2 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 6. I get 2. And lastly, 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 6. I got 4. And we're good. Let's go ahead and plot this, and we can call this a day. All right. Let's see. Going crazy. 312. Whew, that's way up there. It's okay. It fits on the graph. We're good to go. 2, 2. Good. Our vertex. Oh, that's not right. Yep. 1, 4. Oh, guys, I must have done something wrong. Hold on. You can yell at the teacher in a minute.